Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge keeps auto resetting on restart in Windows 11. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. Select System and Performance from the left side list. Go to System. Look for Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed option. Turn the switch off. There's another way you can fix the issue. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Apps from the left side list. Go to Apps and Features. Look for Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots. Choose Modify from the list. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Click on Repair button. Wait until it is done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!